Founded in California more than 100 years ago, Sunsweet, a well-known international food brand, is home to the largest fruit processing plant in the world. Sunsweet engaged WSI to develop a digital marketing strategy to present a consistent brand message across all their markets in Europe, matching their established offline marketing activities.
One of the key things that attracted us to working with WSI over competitive agencies was their access to global capability. They have a global network that we can access to help us execute all our campaigns across our various markets in Europe. Prior to working with WSI, most of our marketing tactics would have been offline, so it would have been TV, radio, print advertising. And really, our challenge was to get a consistent marketing message across Europe, in all the markets in Europe. One of the key projects we worked together on was to develop a new website, pan-European website, and that had to be rolled out across all markets and obviously had elements of all different languages, so that was complex. One other interesting thing about our website is we won a Global Standard Excellence Award, which was in the food category, and that was presented to us by Web Marketing Association, and really, thanks to WSI, made us look very good in Europe. WSI gave us a number of various models that we could work from, but in particular they have a very good forecasting model that we use. And basically what it does, it looks at our KPIs and what those outcomes are versus our financial investment. So it makes it very easy for us to report back on our performance. We worked very closely with WSI on developing blog posts, the social media aspect of our business, and also online competitions, obviously as a way of reaching the consumer most effectively and on message. And we do this again across multiple cultures and languages across Europe. So just to explain the funnel approach a little bit better is at the very top of the funnel we'd have things like video, and then say the center, middle would be for brand awareness search. And that would be where people are looking for prunes, or they're searching for something that prunes can be a remedy for. And then at the very bottom, then you'd have remarketing, where we reach back to our consumer. Our conversions were in Italy 84,000 conversions, which is about a conversion rate of 10%, which in an FMCG environment is excellent. I think the average for FMCG is about 2%. For us, WSI is a very valuable strategic partner. We have a very small marketing department in Europe, and we see them as an extension of our marketing team in Europe, and they really work very closely with us. I would absolutely not hesitate to recommend WSI. Their global connection, their access to various markets, dealing with different cultures, they're super. And I think for any company that was looking to extend their footprint globally, absolutely I wouldn't hesitate to work with them.